Today is November 18th, 2021. I have a little cold, so yeah, I sound a little froggy. It's been 3.5 years since I stepped on stage, and now that I have the support and approval of my family, planning on stepping on stage in June of next year. So that'll be 4 years of being off the stage. Interesting, but it'll also give me enough time to get my body where it needs to be, figure out coaching. It's right at the right time of my gymnast season ending. Here we go. This is my first workout, not my first workout of this year, but it's my first posted workout of 2021-22 prep. Well, 2022 prep, but it's 2021 right now. I did glutes. I hit glutes every workout, so it's 5 times a week. Like, it's usually a finisher if I'm not focusing on glutes, but today was a glute day, which I usually do midweek, usually Wednesday or Thursday. One of those days I take off, so Wednesday or Thursday when I come back is a glute day. And then I hit legs the first day of the week, Monday, always. Today's workout was glutes. I think I said that already. Anyway, everything is 4 sets, 12 to 15 reps. As usual, I do not go super heavy. I don't think it's necessary as long as you're getting the squeeze in the muscle. Have fun. Peace out.
Brushed my hair, went downstairs. Favorite jeans on my rear. And I looked up in my mirror. And I said, who's that there? Who's that there? In that mirror. I don't care and they're aware. Now I see just why they stare. I just pay them, I don't care. I know.